The UPWalker Lite is a lighter and smaller model of the original UPWalker. Since it was designed with the user in mind, your UPWalker Lite will arrive fully assembled so that no more than a few steps are required to open, use, and close the upright walking aid. The UPWalker Lite is extremely lightweight, weighing only 15.5 pounds. It has adjustable armrests for a customized fit to the user's height. It also has a cup holder and even has brakes on the handles for more control. Traditional walkers and rollators cause users to hunch over. The UPWalker Lite enables users to walk upright in a safer, more secure position. The detachable backrest support gives the user the ability to sit down comfortably if they need to take a break. A clinical study of LifeWalker technology showed improved posture and reduced pain in the legs, back, hands, and wrist in its users. You or your loved one will be able to stand comfortably and look ahead with better support, greater dignity, and confidence using the UPWalker Lite.